say we are working on a flower garden. This will help with sensory development and social and emotional development. You will need a pot, some soil, some seeds, some little gardening tools, and a tray. Are you ready, Alexander? So the tray will help to maybe keep the mess a little bit contained. All right, Alexander, first we're going to open the soil. And we're going to dump it in the pot. Then you're going to let your child touch the soil to see what it feels like. Because they may not have touched soil before. Touch it! Hold on, Alexander, let's do one more. All right, Alexander, do you want to touch the soil? And let's scoop up the rest. Scoop and put it in. We're going to scoop, put the soil in. Good job. And then we're going to add the seeds. Because of the kind of soil we got, we have to dampen the soil a little bit. And then you're going to add the seeds, okay? We decided to grow some catnip for our kitty Galahad, as you can see. It's like he already knows what we're about to do. Am I right, Alexander? Yeah? Good job. Alexander, you want to touch the soil with your hands? Feeling all the different textures really helps sensory development. As you can see, a lot of water got on the tray. Yes, splashy. So it's really good to do it on the tray because the pot might leak a bit. All right, Alexander, you ready to put the seeds in? We're gonna throw some catnip for Gally. Put the seeds in. And then I'm gonna put a little soil above it. And just because you put the seeds in doesn't mean you can't just let your kid just play with the water and the soil just to feel it and have some fun. This is great for kids so they can learn about how plants are grown, where some food comes from. Like for example, we're growing some stuff for our cat, so he's gonna learn that we're providing for our cat. We have one more thing. Oh, no, all the seeds are in there. You gotta put it back. Yeah, we lost seeds, but that's okay. Seeds. Do you want to put some stickers? This may be the best part. So we're gonna decorate our pot. There's an eye. No, not in the water. No, on the pot. There's a mouth. Hold on. Why don't we see if we can put a sticker on this side? It's a little drier. Maybe decorate the pot first because you're likely to get water and everything. Let's go. We're gonna put it on here. Go outside, Alexander. All right, no more. Bye-bye, plant. We're gonna let you grow. Oh, he just wants to do splashy. Okay, no more. All right, everybody. Thank you guys for watching Learn with Lex, and please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys had fun watching. Alexander, can you say bye? Bye-bye. All right, I'll say bye. Thanks, everybody.